So I thought I'd do a quick video showing the coach inside the building here with all the lights on. Docking lights, of course. Some people have asked what the lower color is. It's a silver and gray. Of course, there's the distinctive Entegra front end. I'll walk through the inside real quick as well, keep this all in the same video. Shut the flashers off. The tile on these coaches is really cool. Supposedly the largest windshield in the business. Shut the lights off. See that porcelain tiles, very cool. This is the pull-out electric operated air mattress, and this is just a typical pull-out, so you sleep on those two surfaces. I do not have the table extended. It only extends about 4 or 5 inches. There's a fireplace that's not on. Of course, this is the island that pulls out. There's your command center. It's pretty cool. Just all very, very nice the way that works. Let's see the bathroom, turn the bathroom on. Let's see. Ceiling. Jug of water there. The coach is winterized, ready for transport somewhere in the freezing cold. Washer and dryer. Does have a dishwasher here. It's not been used. It's probably never been put in service. So bath and a half. Get the ceiling fan. Nice they have the ceiling fan control and the light switches so you can get at it when you're in bed. Nice mirror. Same floor in here. Nice mirror doors. Cedar lined closet with shoe storage. Shower's very nicely done as well. There is storage underneath this bed right here. Lifts up. Walking back out of the couch. I'll go up the stairs here and show you the roof of the coach as well. So you got the 3 AC units, extra solar panels, Girard awnings, power awnings of course on this side. There you go.